Hello, Bill McRae here. I have cracked the code on how to generate unlimited traffic and make thousands of dollars per day from your blog. Don't you just love those videos? I mean, you crack the code like there is Google and YouTube and this place and this place. All these places get together and they have this secret algorithm that they use to parse out traffic to websites. And now that you're an insider because you just found this video that tells you I cracked the code, you better give me $100 and I'll share it with you. You've heard those videos. I might have created a few of them over the past 20 years. I don't really know. I don't think I did, but the fact is there is no code. Get over that crap. But you can generate a lot of traffic with your blogs. And it just basically involves you following the rules, not trying to game the system. I mean, because I used to do all the black hat things back, 10 years ago. I was called Traffic Ninja because I can rank #1 for a keyword like Viagra. Just by doing, volumes of backlinks from Web 2.0 sites like microblogging sites and all those small places where you can get links from that actually accumulate authority and Wikipedia and .edus and this, that. I came up with tons of ways to generate links, and none of them were natural. None of the content was any good because what we did in those days is we didn't care about content. We cared about just scraping content off other websites, posting on our blogs, using our automatic backlinking software to generate tons of different links from a variety of sources to our sites, and that we would rank to the top in the search engines for an hour. First of all, most traffic isn't coming from search engines anymore. Let's kind of get through that real quick. Search engines provide a ton of traffic, and they provide some extraordinarily great quality traffic, especially if you know how to run pay-per-click ad campaigns. And if you know how to do them, you do realize you waste money for quite a while until you start making money. Waste money, make money, and it's a constant staying on top of these campaigns until they work. Now, I had a friend of mine here in 2012 that was running huge media purchases, $250,000, $500,000 at a time. Started running a campaign, he spent $250,000 and got zero out of it because he was having a good time and was inebriated and wasn't paying attention to the details that didn't specify USI only traffic, so all of his traffic came out of Indonesia. Simple things, and call it an education, call it being stupid, say what you want. There is a business to this business, and you have to pay attention to the details. Now, with blogging, it's simple. You need very unique content. If you're not a writer, that's fine. You need it to engage people, and you need to share it on social media sites. That's really what it comes down to. Now, I'm not a writer, I can't write. So what? Can you talk? You got a computer? Make videos. And that's really what we're doing to skyrocket the traffic on our blogs right now, is we're creating these type of videos, whatever niche space they are, putting them on YouTube. We're using my custom software to automatically post it to my blog. Then I'm using another custom piece of software, which you can buy on the market, which is free for trial, to automatically post it to social media sites online. And then I can repost it occasionally too. Reposting is actually kind of a cool thing because you might get 60 visitors from a post. And then when you repost it, because what happens is it comes in, let's say, to your Twitter feed and starts going down as new posts come along, right? So the guy who clicks on your video or your blog post usually sees it right when you post it. So, an hour later, it's, he's got 30 other posts ahead of it. It's very hard for him to see it. So reposting For Twitter, even Facebook, uh, will give you another bump in traffic. And in fact, if you build your Twitter following naturally, don't game the system. You build it through your content. You let your content attract your followers, and you want to use hashtags and go follow other people to follow you back. Stuff you can do that, but don't buy any of that software. I used to create that software. It will get you banned. Twitter doesn't want you using it. Twitter wants you to hire them to do that for you, maybe, but they don't want you using any of these software programs. And at the end of the day, you want natural, truly interested people following you anyway. Okay, same thing with Facebook. I post the pages. I get new people liking my pages. Now videos get 100 views from Facebook. Um, Now, people go, why don't you have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 subscribers on my Facebook, my YouTube channel? Well, I've only been doing this for a few months. That's one reason. The second reason is I don't hype. I don't sit in front of you with $10,000 in cash and waving around and say, you can make this money. If you don't want to make it, that's fine. I'll make this plus this. I don't do none of that crap. I just sit here and honestly talk to you and figure, hey, you are a smart person. I don't have to feed you a lot of crap to keep you coming back. I can feed you the honest truth. And hey, look, if people don't want to listen to it, fine. Don't be delusional. You can make a lot of money in this business if you do things right. There's no shortcuts. Anybody comes out with the latest shortcut, I probably have tested it. I probably have done it. It used to work 6 months ago, a year ago, 5 years ago, whatever. It doesn't now. But what does work is upload YouTube videos, syndicate it to your blog, syndicate your blog to social media, keep the content fresh, post 1 to 2 videos a day, and engage with those people by sticking a new tool on your site, which I'm going to show you in the next video. So, boom, boom, boom. Y'all have a great day.